Have you ever wondered how your thoughts can actually shape your reality? Today I am diving into the science behind manifestation and showing you how it changed my life even before I knew what it was. Hi, I am Dr. Sana Senuddin, dentist by profession, certified nutritionist and a certified life transformation coach. Welcome to the power of self. What is manifestation? To make something happen. Manifestation is so much more than just a trend. It's a meeting of science and wisdom, a philosophy to live by, and a self development practice to help you live your best life. It's the ability to create the life you want and where you can be the author of your own life. Signs of manifestation. Let's see what they are. Number 1, quantum physics. Everything in the universe is made up of energy. The chair we sit on is made up of energy, the sky above us is made up of energy, or to sum up, all physical matter is pure energy. So, what differentiates it from one another? The vibrational frequency and the density of atom it's constituted from. It can be high, low, or anywhere in between. High frequency vibration means love, gratitude, happiness, kindness, optimism, enthusiasm, confidence, and so on. And low vibration frequency is annoyance, worry, anxiety, despair, guilt, sad. Let's get into an example. Think of your mind like a radio. If you're tuned into a negative frequency, you start receiving more negativity. But if you shift that frequency, that is your thoughts, emotions, and energy, you start attracting things that match that frequency. That is positivity. So, what is law of attraction? Like attracts like. But how is it related to our minds? Our thoughts, emotions, and feelings are made up of energy too, and different emotions have different frequencies. When we change our thoughts, we change how we feel and what emotions we experience, which in turn shift our entire vibrational frequency and ultimately our reality. How beautiful, right? So now I have spoken about quantum physics. Now let's get into more interesting one, neuroplasticity. Neuroplasticity is the ability of the brain to change and reorganize itself throughout your life. Think of it like a clay that can be molded. When you learn something new or practice a new habit, your brain forms new connections and pathways. This means that by changing your behavior and thoughts, you can actually rewire your brain, leading to lasting changes in how you feel, think, and act. So now, can you just tell me that manifestation is just some trend going on? Never. There's proper science behind it. It's how we choose to use it consciously in the proper way. Let me make something very clear here. Manifestation is just not about thinking or visualizing or keep dreaming. It's about aligning your thoughts with proper intention, action plan, and believing that it will happen in your life. The biggest misconception about manifestation. Number 1, manifestation is not just about thinking positively. You cannot think yourself into success without taking proper action. It requires effort, aligned decision, and belief. Number 2, manifestation is just not instant magic. It's a process involving reprogramming your mindset, shifting your energy, and allowing the right opportunities to flow into your life. And number 3, manifestation is just not about asking the universe. It's about becoming the person who is already aligned with what you desire. Your thoughts, actions, and habits must reflect that version of yours. Now, let me tell you how I manifested a healthy, happy, and a successful living even before I knew what manifestation was. My BDS journey, manifested without knowing. When I joined my BDS degree, I didn't step into it with much passion for it. It was something that I got into it without much interest. But when I reflect on it back now, I can see that deep inside I had been always visualizing myself passing with flying colors, believing in it and doing whatever possible. Despite of all the immunity issues and sickness and everything, even on the mornings when I was sick, I don't know whether you guys believe it or not, I was on my antibiotics and painkiller injections from hospital straight to the examination hall, holding on to the faith and visualizing myself that I would be passing the examination and doing whatever I could whenever and wherever possible. And despite all those challenges, I graduated with flying colors, earning my first class degree on time, and I am here as Dr. Sana Senuddin. And that itself was a manifestation in action even before I knew what it was. Manifested love, how my childhood vision came true. And the most beautiful part, even as a child, to be precise around 14 to 15 years old, I used to pray for a love that was deep, kind, and unwavering. I used to visualize for a partner who would be really a great support system, and as every girl's dream, who would truly sweep me off my feet and make me feel safe and cherished. And when I look at my life right now, I realize I manifested exactly the same. I'm married to the love of my life, my biggest support system, the exact person I always prayed for, and also thankful to the Almighty for a beautiful family that came along with Him. My self discovery journey, how I started learning manifestation consciously. But a few years ago, I was questioning everything, like my love life is aligned, my career is all set, but my health and body were not. I felt a sense of urgency or curiosity to know what life is, how to remove all your limiting beliefs and live a beautiful life. And more importantly, I cannot simply ignore the beautiful life that the Almighty has blessed me with. So I need to stay in charge consciously. That's when I started my self-discovery journey, where I started to properly understand the power of manifestation and realizing that thoughts, actions could be aligned to create a better reality. And I learned various techniques which I'll be diving in the upcoming series that help me transform my life from inside out. From constant sickness to my best health. Health was something we thought only about when we got sick. We never actively worked on it. I didn't realize it back then, but the belief we grow up with shape our reality. If we think life is about struggle, we attract more struggle. And if we think health is just about luck, we never take control of it. And for years, I lived with those unconscious beliefs, and I thought that's just how my body was. But the moment I truly understood how my body and mind are connected, I stopped being the victim of my circumstances and started taking charge. I stopped waiting for my body to change on its own, and I stopped believing that my body is always in this unhealthy state. Instead, I started aligning my actions with my future self, and that's how I am a certified nutritionist too. And I'm halfway through my goal, fitter than ever before, and my health parameters, biomarkers are all in check. Breaking the limiting beliefs, expanding my horizon. For the longest time, I thought I could be only one thing. I thought success had limits. But when I shifted my mindset, I proved myself wrong. Today, alongside being a dentist, I am also a certified nutritionist, certified life transformation coach, and a stock market trader and an investor. The same person who once thought she could never do it is now achieving more than ever she imagined. This transformation didn't happen by chance. It's because I understood the power of manifestation not just as a concept, but by aligning my thoughts, energy, and actions to become the person I always wanted to be. And I want to help you do the same. If I could transform my life, my mindset, my health, and my entire well being, you guys can too. And if I could manifest this transformation even before I knew what it was, imagine what you could do once you understand its true power. So, in this manifestation series, I'll be showing you exactly how to reprogram your subconscious mind, remove your limiting beliefs, align your energy and action with your goal, and make manifestation actually work in your real life. So, if you're ready to unlock the true power and create the life that you have ever dreamt of, subscribe to my channel and let's start this journey together to become the best version of ourselves here in the Power of Self. Thank you so much for making your time till here.